Ever feel trapped by endless tasks? Small businesses often struggle with inefficient workflows, drowning in repetitive manual processes that drain energy and stifle growth. In today's competitive landscape, traditional methods simply can't keep pace. By 2025, the gap between outdated operations and modern technology will be wider than ever. Imagine slashing back-office work by 10,000 hours or reducing document processing time by 90%. This isn't a far-off fantasy. It's the promise of advanced workflow automation. Enter Make.com. This powerful tool revolutionizes the way small businesses operate by seamlessly connecting over 1,800 applications through a visual workflow builder. With Make.com, chaos gives way to cohesion, transforming clunky manual tasks into smooth, efficient operations. As AI integration becomes the norm, businesses can now analyze vast datasets in real time, predict bottlenecks, and personalize customer interactions with laser precision. But the real game changer lies in hyper-automation, the seamless fusion of robotic process automation, artificial intelligence, and machine learning. Imagine a world where even non-technical team members can effortlessly design and deploy complex automation scenarios. With low-code and no-code platforms, innovation is no longer confined to the IT department. Small businesses, once limited by resource constraints, now have the power to level the playing field. Picture this: a finely tuned machine where every process is interconnected, every repeated task is automated, and every decision is data-driven. The frustration of juggling spreadsheets and manual checklists vanishes, replaced by a sense of clarity and empowerment. Business growth accelerates, teams become more agile, and operational headaches are replaced by streamlined success. Today is the day to challenge the status quo. Embrace the advanced automation strategies that not only resolve today's challenges, but also prepare your business for tomorrow's opportunities. Feel the relief as repetitive tasks fade into the background, allowing you to focus on innovation, creativity, and strategic growth. Ready to transform your business operations? Explore how Make.com can streamline your workflows and drive growth in 2025. Efficiency is not just a goal, it's your new reality.